Vegetable fried rice is a quick and simple dish that can be cooked under 10 minutes time and with the vegetables of your choice. Hi, I'm Sarika Benjamin and welcome back to my channel Benji's Home Cooking, and today I bring to you the recipe of easy fried rice. So here I have used 1 cup of cooked basmati rice which I have cooked with salt. I had already pre-cooked it. Leftover rice, old rice works perfect for this recipe. Some 2 or 3 mushrooms that are sliced, some capsicums and green beans, some carrots which I have chopped. These are roughly about 2 tablespoons each. You can decide the vegetable and its quantity according to taste. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic which I have minced finely. 2 green chillies that are sliced, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. We have some greens from spring onions, a teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of pepper powder, some salt, half a teaspoon of vinegar and some oil. So in a wok or a kadhai or a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. On high heat, once the oil is hot enough, add the minced garlic and the green chilies. Fried rice needs to be cooked on high flame, so this doesn't take a very long time. Just saute all of this, and once you stir it for a few seconds, we will add the chopped onions. We are going to cook the onions only till they are transparent, which is not more than a minute. So once the onions are well sauteed and they are soft, we are going to add the mushrooms. We need to add the mushrooms right at the beginning because they have a lot of water content and we need to cook them and also dry the water. If you are allergic to mushrooms, skip them and use whatever vegetables you would like to. Once the mushrooms are cooked, we will add the rest of the vegetables. Now, while making the fried rice, we don't want to overcook the vegetables. We want to maintain their color and also the crunch. So keep stirring them on high heat, add some salt, and once all of them is well mixed, we will add the cooked rice. If you want a restaurant style fried rice, remember to cook the rice well ahead of time, at least a couple of hours. And after cooking, if you can refrigerate it for about half an hour or an hour, it really gives a good effect, keeps the rice separated and fluffy. You can see my rice is nice and separate, it's not sticking. So stir it well, and once you stir all of this on a high flame for a few seconds, we will add the sauce. Remember never to add the sauce and seasoning in the vegetables because it changes the color. We want the fried rice to maintain the color. So here goes the soy sauce, the pepper powder, a little bit of salt and vinegar. I have already added salt in the rice while cooking, so if you have added salt in your rice, be mindful of the quantity of salt that we use. Soy sauce also has a little bit of salt content, so mix all of this. At this stage you can sprinkle a tablespoon or 2 of water and keep a lid if you want to still cook the rice and heat it up well if you have refrigerated it. So stir it well on high flame and your fried rice is ready. This is really a quick recipe. Serve it hot with whatever side dish that you have. Use the seasonal vegetables, use the leftover rice and create magic in your kitchen.